क्वेश्चन नंबर 50 ऑफ 2025 एग्जाम, इसको सॉल्व करेंगे आज। ये बहुत आसान क्वेश्चन है, ठीक है। अगर आपको इसको देखकर लग रहा है कि ये कठिन है, नहीं, इस तरीके के क्वेश्चन आप फंक्शन एनालिसिस में करते हैं। आप देखेंगे कल थ्योरी क्लास में भी हमने कुछ ऑपरेटर्स को कॉम्पैक्ट प्रूव किया था, राइट। उन्हीं में से बस कॉम्पैक्ट प्रूव करने में जो आर्ग्यूमेंट यूज हुए थे वही यूज होंगे इसमें भी, ठीक है। और आसान है। सी कैसे? लेट alpha is a number between 0 to 1. Define C alpha 0 1 is those f which satisfy this, right? So sup s is not equal to t, s and t in close interval 0 1. This quotient, okay, इसका सुप्रीमम क्या होना चाहिए? लेस देन इन्फिनिटी. So this is the set of all Holder continuous functions of order alpha. Okay, if you have read about it, तो आपने पढ़ा भी था ये। मैंने आपको एक्सरसाइज दी थी मैट्रिक स्पेस के कोर्सेज में कि वो करना करके एर्जर-एस्पोली थ्योरम के बाद। Okay, so it is given that C alpha 0 1 is a Banach space with respect to the norm. Norm is defined here. We don't need to check it's a norm or not, and this space is complete. So it's given that this is a Banach space with respect to this norm, and let C01 be the space of all real valued continuous functions on 01 with the norm. This is the subnorm, okay? And the map is inclusion map, okay? ये मैप इंक्लूजन मैप है. So T is defined to be from this space to this space which sent F to F. Okay, so any Holder continuous function is continuous. So this Holder continuity is stronger than continuity. So now पूछा क्या है, देखो, T is a compact linear map. Compact linear map के लिए हम क्या करते हैं पता है? Compact linear means whenever we pick a bounded set here, then we want to know that it is relatively compact or not. It means that its closure is compact. Okay, so when subsets of C01 are compact, do you remember how do we check? Do we have some criterion to check? Answer it.
Sir, compact or relatively compact?
I mean, some subset of C01 is compact. How do we check that? Suppose that I give you some subset.
It is closed.
It is closed.
In uniformly bounded over 0 1 and equicontinuous.
Right. These three things we have to check, right? So now pick, consider set of all functions B satisfying, हम एक बाउंडेड सबसेट ले लेते हैं, ओके, satisfying Holder norm of all those F equal to C. ठीक है? Then clear. Oh, but we have to check this one first, okay? Because we want to know that it maps bounded sets to bounded or not. क्योंकि हम जानना चाहते हैं कि टीबी बाउंडेड होगा एंड क्या इक्वी कंटिन्यूस होगा, उसका क्लोजर तो क्लोज्ड अपने आप हो जाएगा, राइट? सो टू चेक द relative compactness, we just need to check TB is bounded and uniformly bounded or and equicontinuous, right? So this we need to check. So for that I need to check the option D first. Okay, first D, that T is bounded linear map or not. See, first of all, to check boundedness I have, मुझे ऐसे कुछ लाना होगा, norm F sup norm is less than equal to m times Holder norm, right? This I want to know. So this I have this thing, sup T is not equal, S is not equal to T, S is in S comma T both are in close interval 0 1, Ft minus Fs over this cos over S alpha. This is greater than this, right? Note that F0, why I'm putting F0 here, you will realize after few steps, okay? T to the power alpha, right? No need to write mod T to the power alpha because T is non-negative always. For this happens for all t. For all t, can you tell me for all t except? Tell me.
0.
0.
0, right? Because I have put s equal to 0, so t cannot be 0 because s is not equal to t. So this is true, right? You tell. This is true or not?
Yes, because t 0 से 1 के बीच में है.
Yes, and t to the power alpha is also in between that. So this is true. And by triangle inequality, so not triangle inequality exactly, but you have read this inequality, right? So it means for all non-zero t, okay? So what we have this. Thus we have a sup. अच्छा, थोड़ा सा स्विच करके मैं उसे ऐसे लिख देता हूं. Mod ft is less than mod of f0. I have taken this to another side, okay? Plus sup t and s both are in closed interval 0, 1. And these all calculation are easy to do and can be done very fastly, okay? Because I'm writing also clearly here, so it takes time. So nothing is very difficult. So, right, for all non-zero t, right? But that holds for t equal to 0, you can see. And s non-zero also. I mean, if you put t equal to 0 here, see, इस वाले की आपको जरूरत नहीं है. Right? This also holds for t equal to 0. Right? Gaurav.
Yes, sir.
So we have, hence, therefore, what do we have? The subnorm, if you take supremum, this side is constant, okay? So this comes out to be this, right? With source, what? You tell Aman. Showing the,
T is bounded linear map.
yeah, boundedness of t or continuity of t, okay? Continuity of t. T is a bounded linear map. Bounded linear map. You will fill it, okay? So, which shows that so this shows the boundedness, okay? And D asks that T is not a bounded linear map, hence it's incorrect option. So nothing is very difficult here, right? All easy calculations, and these can be done very quickly. So now we come back to the option A, then we will see B and C, right? So come back to A now. Come back to A. Okay. We have assumed that consider the set of all B satisfying this. So then B. So we can say that we have this less than equal to C for all F and B, right? Because T will map bounded sets to bounded set, and if something is less than equal to C, then we get that this is also less than equal to C. Okay, so this is uniformly bounded. Now let's check equicontinuity. So we have Ft minus Fs is sup T not equal to S, and T and S are in closed interval 0, 1. I'm not gonna write it every time because I will have to write it often. So this is less than equal to C, right? For all F in B, है ना? सभी F के लिए जो B में है ये सेटिस्फाई करेंगे, है ना? So that means or Ft minus Fs is less than or equal to C times mod T minus S to the power alpha for all F in B, and this holds for all T and S, right, Aman? See, T and S can be equal also now. Yeah, this T and S can be equal now. So which now suppose that epsilon is given, so we get this, right? Is less than epsilon. If epsilon is greater than 0, we have now, if we have, sorry, I mean I should not do like this. This will be messy otherwise. So you will fill that. Okay, epsilon दिया गया है. Then for all F in B and T comma S, and whenever T comma S is mod of T comma S is less than C is positive. Okay, so right, is it clear?
हाँ सर.
It means
C
that
की power
C की power okay, या देख लो. So this will be less than epsilon means, so epsilon by C, ये डेल का काम करेगा ना, ये दिस थिंग, ठीक है? मतलब 1 by power अल्फा दोनों की आएगी. This
होल पावर.
हाँ, होल पावर. तो होल पावर तो गलत क्या है? हाँ,
सही है, मतलब ये
कोई मिस्टेक है?
सर मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि एप्सिलॉन की पावर 1 by अल्फा और C सिर्फ सीधा ही आएगा.
क्यों? अभी दोनों तरफ पावर अल्फा करो तो ऐसे आएगा ना ये.
अच्छा सर, ओके सर.
So C, this implies TB is relatively compact, right? It means TB closure is compact, I meant to say, by Ascoli theorem. So by Ascoli theorem, ये हमने कल किया था, राइट? थ्योरी में Ascoli theorem, TB closure is compact. ओके. C, आपको मैं एक चीज बता देता हूं, हमने TB क्लोजर में सारे बाउंडेड फंक्शंस होंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, okay, if you want to prove that TB closure is compact, then TB closure is always closed, then you have to prove equicontinuity for only TB. Okay, so you might ask me that why do we not verify for elements in TB closure? Because equicontinuous जो फंक्शन होते हैं उनका कलेक्शन भी equicontinuous ही होता है. फिर मतलब if अगर आपके पास कोई कलेक्शन है जिसमें equicontinuous फंक्शन है सारे, then उसका क्लोजर भी क्या होगा? वो भी इक्विकंटिन्यूअस फंक्शन वो होता है कलेक्शन. ओके, so same goes for boundedness. So TB is I mean TB is compact or TB is relatively compact. So this thing we have done yesterday. मतलब ऐसे हमने एक दो एग्जांपल किए थे, है ना अमन?
हाँ सर.
तो वही आर्ग्यूमेंट है, मतलब कुछ नया नहीं है ऐसा कि एग्जाम जो फंक्शन एसएसआई है वो कुछ ऐसा नहीं है कि जो आपने पहले नहीं किया और आपको फिर एग्जाम में अचानक करना पड़े. वो मैं आपको दिखाना चाहता हूँ, बस बात इतनी सी है. ओके, और कैलकुलेशंस, क्योंकि देखो अगर जो आपने कल पढ़ा वो अगर आपने ऑलरेडी किया होगा, यू विल डू दिस इन अ ब्लिंक ऑफ एन आई, राइट? इट विल नॉट टेक मच ऑफ द टाइम. बट इफ यू हैव नॉट डन, देन यू विल बी थिंकिंग ओके कैसे होगा, क्या होगा, फिर थोड़ा सा चक्कर होगा, राइट? अब बी और सी को करते हैं. वी वांट टू नो दैट इमेज इज डेंस और नॉट, राइट? So if image is dense, then it cannot be closed. If it is closed, then it cannot be dense. because not all functions are holder continuous obviously, right? पहले इसको समझो जो मैंने बोला. If image is closed, then it cannot be dense because the image is proper subset. And if image is dense, then it cannot be closed. So we have to check only one option. So let's check that. So let's first try to, uh, see that what is in the image. Okay. So can you see something? I mean, these functions are in the image. Can you tell me that some functions which are holder continuous? So that will give us idea that these are the elements which are is in the image. Okay, because we want to know the denseness of some set, so we have to know at least what elements are there. I'm not asking you to know all the functions. Just let me know that what some known functions and something which is very, you know, standard functions, I know, are there in the image. Can you see something? Okay, let me ask you, what constant functions will be there or not? You see.
हाँ कांस्टेंट फंक्शन होगा.
कांस्टेंट फंक्शन इमेज में होगा ना. एंड लेट मी नो दैट b and c. So let me know that x to the x will be there or not. See that, and it is x is holder continuous or not. You just have to check this quotient कि x minus y, ये चीज जो है x minus y की पावर अल्फा, ये मोड लेस देन इंफिनिटी होता है नहीं, जैसे x y वेरी करेंगे ओवर 0 1 नॉट इक्वल टू y. सो वही देखना है आपको,
हाँ
राइट?
हाँ होगा
ओके. एंड व्हाट
होगा
अबाउट
होगा.
एक्स स्क्वायर? यू टेल करो, एक्स स्क्वायर होगा कि नहीं होगा? जल्दी कैलकुलेशन करके बताओ.
हाँ वो भी होगा.
ओके. सो दिस कम्स आउट टू बी, नीचे अल्फा है ना, सो एक्स नॉट इक्वल टू वाई. हाँ, फॉर एक्स नॉट इक्वल टू वाई, सो वी हैव दिस कम्स आउट टू बी एक्स माइनस वाई. एंड अंदर क्या आएगा मन बताओ?
x to the power n minus 1 x to the power n minus 2 y
अगला वाला n माइनस टू आएगा.
है ना nc1. हाँ x to the power n minus 2 into y. nc2 कैसे होगा? ये तो मतलब ये हो रहा है e to the power n minus b to the power n का एक्सपेंशन है ना. ये तो
तो क्या आएगा?
बायनोमियल एक्सपेंशन नहीं है. x to the power n minus 1 plus x to the power n minus 2 into y plus x to the power n minus 3 into y square up to y to the power n
Oh,
minus 1.
dot 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 y to the power n minus 1, right? So this
Yes.
will be, you have 1 minus alpha, right? Because alpha is less than 1. So this thing, because these are this polynomial expression, this is a polynomial expression. I mean, this is a function of x and y which is continuous on this square, right? Function is continuous in this compact square x as a function of x and y. This is, ये तो पॉलिनोमियल है, ये एक पॉजिटिव पावर है, 1 माइनस अल्फा है यहाँ पर. तो दोनों फंक्शन कंटिन्यूअस है, उनका प्रोडक्ट भी कंटिन्यूअस होगा, तो इट्स बाउंडेड. यस और नो?
हाँ सर.
सो मतलब इसकी होल्डर नॉर्म क्या होगी? ये लेस देन एंड इक्वल टू m. सो इट मींस, दैट मींस image of t contains at least इतना तो कंटेन करती है rx, right? But rx is dense in C01. Yes or no?
Yes, Newton Weierstrass theorem.
Yeah, by Weierstrass theorem. So it means that image must be dense, right? Which implies t, image of t is dense. Dense. Okay, so which one is true? True. इसका मतलब इमेज टी डेंस है लेकिन क्लोज नहीं है फिर, ठीक है। और टी प्रॉपर है, हाँ, इमेज ऑफ टी इज प्रॉपर, इट्स नॉट ऑन टू मैप। आई मीन यू मे आस्क मी कि क्लोज्ड भी होगा और डेंस भी होगा, ऐसा भी हो सकता है। नहीं, वो तभी हो सकता है जब फुल स्पेस हो, ठीक है। तो फुल स्पेस नहीं है इमेज, दैट्स वेरी इजी टू वेरीफाई। आई मीन you will have functions which are not holder continuous, so I leave it as a homework, as an exercise। and जो YouTube में देख रहे होंगे नीचे कमेंट छोड़ देना, ठीक है, कमेंट लिख के बताना मुझे कि आप ऐसा फंक्शन ढूंढ सकते हैं जो कंटिन्यूस है बट होल्डर कंटिन्यूस नहीं है, ठीक है। सो इसमें कोई क्वेश्चन है अमन, गौरव, एनीथिंग यू वांट टू आस्क?
No, sir.
ओके, सो इज एवरीथिंग क्लियर?
हाँ सर।
तो सी देखो, इफ यू देखो, अगर आपने पढ़ा होगा, जैसे हम कल पढ़ रहे थे, उसमें हमने एक दो एग्जांपल्स किए, राइट, वो ऑलरेडी स्टैंडर्ड बुक्स में होते हैं इस टाइप के एग्जांपल्स। ये किया हो तो देन यू विल नॉट find difficult to solve these kind of questions in the exam, otherwise you will I mean देखोगे, अगर ऐसा भी हो सकता है, बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट अगर आप YouTube में सुनोगे इसको, इस क्वेश्चन को देखते ही आप हो सकता है कि स्किप कर दें, बट इट्स नॉट रियली difficult। Okay, once you know the boundedness of T, then you will quickly realize that okay, uniformly bounded and it is equicontinuous within a second। Okay, so it's a compact map, and A and D solve हो गया, then after that B and C is you just need to know that what image contains at least, and if you have read about holder continuous function, you already know that the polynomials are holder continuous, and then you say that okay, at least it contains a set of all polynomials which by Weierstrass theorem tends in C0, so image must be dense। Okay, so